Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. I'm Saman here, your grammar teacher. Today we are going to study articles. It is one of the easiest topic, but for some students it is very confusing because it's you have to keep the rules in your mind while using the articles. So here I'm going to tell you the rules. What are the rules of articles? How you can use them easily. Okay, let's start with it. There are three articles and the. And they are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite articles. Where we use them, we are going to see we use them with the nouns, and we use articles before singular nouns. When you talk about one thing, one noun, then you use articles and the. And what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. All the words, all the things that have a name, they are noun. Nouns are naming word. It can be name of a person, it can be name of a place, animal, or thing. Like here you can see it's a name of a person, boy, name of a thing, ambulance, name of a place, house. All these things are noun. So with them we can use articles. Okay, before starting the topic of articles, you should know how many alphabets are there and how we have divided them. There are 26 alphabets and we have divided them into vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. What are vowels? Vowels are basically before that it was the pronunciation of this word was vowel, but now we pronounce it as vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, there are five vowels, and all the alphabets except these five, they are called consonants. We have divided these alphabets like this because there is a rule of using the articles with them. So let's see what is the rule, how to use article an. The article an is used before a singular noun which begins with the vowel A, E, I, O, U. Okay, like an elephant, an igloo, an orange, an aeroplane. Excuse me. Here you can see that all these words, they are starting with vowels. So the words which start with vowels, with them we use an elephant, an orange, an igloo. It's a name of an animal, name of food, name of a thing, name of a thing. Okay, so when how to use article a. The article a is used before a singular noun which begins with a consonant. Now consonants are all the alphabets except vowels. For example, a cake, a snake, a butterfly, a kite, a cycle, because all these words are starting with vowel, so we have used a with it. And remember that if there are two butterflies, if there are two cakes, then you are not going to use two cakes, it will be wrong. Okay, it is singular, that's why we are using article a. Okay, now see how to use article the. There are many rules of using article the, but I am just going to discuss a few of them with you. Inshallah, I will be having a separate lecture for that, in which I will tell you what are the rules of article the, how you can use article the. So here are some of the rules only. Define a definite article the is used with any noun, whether singular or plural, countable or uncountable, when the specific identity of the noun is known to the reader, as in the following situations. It means that the is used when to specify a thing. When you specify, when you highlight the thing, particular thing, then you use the. And there is no restriction that you have to use the with singular noun or plural noun. And they are always used with singular noun, but the can be used with singular or plural. It can, the thing can be countable or uncountable, depends upon the situation. So that's why there are many rules of this article the. So what is the first rule? We use the article the when a particular noun has already been mentioned previously. Like I ate a cake yesterday, the cake was yummy and delicious. Now see, in the first sentence I talked about the cake, then in the second sentence I talk about the previous cake, that I talk about the same cake that I talked about it previously. Okay, so here I'm going to highlight that cake, the cake was yummy and delicious. That particular cake which I talked about was yummy and delicious, that's why I have used the cake. Okay, second rule is that we use the to refer to people or objects that are unique, something that is unique, that is not common, that is particular, like sun, like world. There is only one sun, there is only one world. Okay, they are unique in their in itself. So we are going to use the sun rose at 6:17 this morning. You can go anywhere in the world. Okay, next is use the article the when the noun refers to something or someone that is unique. For example, the theory of relativity, it's almost the same thing. It's about the heavenly objects, but here you can use for the thing that is particular, like theory of relativity. There is only one theory, so you say the theory of relativity. I hope the things are clear to you, and inshallah, when I will tell you about the other rules, it will be more clear to you. So let's solve the exercises. Complete the sentences with a or an. Tom is dash cat, it is dash apple, Hannah is dash teacher, this is dash egg, he is dash boy, that is dash fan, it is dash drum, and my father is dash doctor. Now here you are going to use only a and there, and and just keep in mind that the words which are starting with vowels, with them you have to use and the words which are starting with consonants, with them you have to use a. Okay, let's check the answer. Tom is a cat because C is consonant. It is an apple because A is vowel. Hannah is a teacher. This is an egg. He is a boy. That is a fan. It is a drum. My father is a doctor. Okay, put article the where necessary. Now, in some of the blanks, we will not use article the, so you have to see that when you have to use the article. I ride a bike, dash bike is green. Did you use dash game I gave you? Lisa was born in dash 1956. He was dash tallest man I ever knew. I had dash fish and dash chips for dinner. Have you got dash bike fixed yet? I would like to live in dash moon. I always go to dash school by bus. Now check the answers. Okay, I ride a bike. The bike is green. Now, see, I'm repeating the thing again. I'm talking about that bike again, which I talked previously. I ride a bike. The bike is green. It's a particular bike that is green. So we have used the. Did you use the game I gave you? This is also a particular thing. You're talking about the specific game. So you have to use the game I gave you. Lisa was born in 1956. Here we will not use article because we don't use article with numbers. The two will be wrong. The year will be wrong. Okay, he was dash tallest man I ever knew. With superlative degree, we always use the tallest, the highest. Okay, I had dash fish and dash chips for dinner. We are not going to use here. I had the fish will be wrong. Definitely I had fish, a fish can be correct, but here we have to use the. I had dash fish and dash chips for dinner. Have you got dash bike fixed yet? So we are talking about the specific bike which is broken, so we have to use the because it is unique. Have you got the bike fixed yet? I would like to live in the moon. It's a specific unique thing, so we have to use the. I always go to dash school by bus, and here we are not going to use the because we are not highlighting the school. It's not the specific school. I hope all the things are clear to you. And with this message of the day, I would like to end my lecture. Have the hope in Allah and start your day with positive thoughts. Always have hope in yourself. Always have first believe in Allah, then believe in yourself, and then you can see miracles. Always go with a positive thought. Do not think that the things are going negative and the world is finished. It cannot be like that. So just have a hope in Allah, and He will clear the paths